Good morning, students of class 6. Welcome to English class. Today we are going to learn how to write a story. Now, what is a story? Story is a brief work of fiction where usually the main character faces a conflict that is worked out in the plot of the story. What do I mean by that? That there would be a main character who would be facing some problems, and it is in that story itself his or her problem will be solved, and that is how a story will begin and end. Now, there are certain elements of a story, rather, four elements. What are these? Characters, settings, problem, and solution. Now, what are characters? Characters are the people in the story, or there can be animal as character also. Some examples of characters would be Cinderella in a famous fairy tale of Cinderella, Captain America, Spider-Man, Rapunzel. Then there are so many characters you have about whom you have read in different stories. So character are the people or the animals surrounding which the story is formed, or about whom the story is written. Now, setting. What is a setting? Setting is the place where that story takes place. It can be a farm, it can be a forest, it can be a place which existed long ago, or it can be a place which exists now. So, there has to be a place and also a time in which this story is formed. So, that place or the time combined is known as setting of the story. Now, in the story, there has to be a problem. That is another element of a story. What is the problem? The problem is the situation that the characters are facing in the story. There has to be some problem, a situation that the characters are facing. I'm sure you remember the story of that bundle of sticks, where in that story we knew that the brothers had no unity among them. That was the problem in that story, and how they got their unity is what is the solution of that story. So from there we can say that a story must have a solution. That is another element of a story. So solution is how the characters solve their problem. In that story of bundle of sticks, how the problem was solved? It was when their father on the deathbed called them and gave them this single sticks first and asked them to break it, and they could break it very easily. And then he gave them a bundle of sticks and asked them to break it, but they could not break it. No, none of the brothers could break that bundle. And that is how their father on the deathbed explained them that how important unity is. And it was from that time these brothers who did not have unity among themselves developed that sense of unity. And that is how the problem that was present in the story is resolved. So, our story has four elements, should have four elements. First of all, the characters. Then there must be a setting, the place and the time when the story is taking place. Then there must be a problems which the characters will face, and in that very story you have to give the solution. So this is the basic things of story. Now you have to remember few things while writing a story. What are this? First of all, you have to give your story a title. Secondly, you have to use direct speech for dialogues. You have to incorporate dialogues in your stories, and for that you have to use direct speech, that is within inverted commas. And for other reported speech, you have to use that too, when you have to describe what someone said, or when you have to describe their actions. And lastly, but very importantly, you have to use past tense while writing or while narrating a story. So now I think you know how to write a story. Now all of you become a little creative and use the prompt given over here to write a story of your own. Now what is the prompt? A friendly alien who comes to Earth. Now how you are going to write a story with this prompt? First you have to think of the characters. One character is mentioned over here, a friendly alien. Now you must include other characters also. Once you got your characters, then you have to think of a setting, that is the place where it is taking place. A hint is given over here, that is Earth. So anywhere in the Earth you can choose as your setting. You have to mention the time also. Now you have to think of a problem. The problem that your main character is facing. Over here definitely your main character is an alien. Now what problem he could have faced? Think about it. Maybe it wanted to return back to its planet. That could be a problem. And how the alien is getting the solution of its problem. That too you have to think and develop a story of your own. So, why waste time? Start with your pen and paper and start writing a story of your own. After you have completed your work, send your story through email at the given mail ID before 17/7/2020. Thank you.